All right, everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I have my unboxing and first impressions of the first third-party band for the Pixel Watch first generation. This is going to be a braided nylon band for the Pixel Watch first generation. And as always, if this video piqued your interest and you guys and gals would like to know where you can pick up anything featured in the videos and help support the channel when you do so, all of the affiliate links to where you guys and gals can pick this product up featured in the video here today, as well as any other products featured in the video, will be linked up down below in the video description. And as the name implies, if you guys and gals decide to make your purchase using those affiliate links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. All right? Now, without further ado, let's get into this unboxing and first impressions. And I have to say this, we're going to get the pricing out of the way up front. I was actually able to get this, I was actually able to get this for free because I cashed in some of my rewards cards points and some of my affiliate points. So I was actually able to get this for free. Again, thank you guys and gals so much for using those affiliate links. It really does help towards supporting the coverage and content that comes to the channel. But with that being said, let's get into today's video. Let's go. So, starting off talking about the overall packaging and presentation, I cannot say that brand name to save my life. I'm not even going to try. But in regards to the overall packaging, I have to say it's really, really nice. Very, very clean. Very nice two-tone color scheme. I like it a lot. Flipping it to the back. Very basic stuff here. Okay, let me get y'all a close-up of this so y'all can pause and read up for yourself. But really, really nice overall packaging. Let's crack into it. Okay. And I gotta tell y'all, I've been waiting for this because although the stock band for the Pixel Watch is nice, there's just a few things that I don't like about it. So I couldn't wait to get some third-party bands in. And I'm so happy that the nylon one showed up first. Very, very happy to see that. Okay. Now, I do have to read up because there's a certain mechanism you have to push on the Pixel Watch to get these to click into place. So they have a tutorial inside of the Pixel Watch app. I'm going to watch that tutorial. Then we're going to figure out what mechanism we have to push on the watch itself to get the bands to come off. This one came already pre-installed. And I will say this. In regards to the included first-party band that came with the watch, it is really, really nice. I'm just not a fan of this material. And the buckling mechanism is really nice, but it is a little bit cumbersome when you gotta unlatch it and latch it. So I'm very, very happy to be moving to a Velcro nylon style. Okay, because this latching mechanism, especially for someone with a disability like myself, can be a little bit cumbersome to put on. Not so much to take off, but to put on, it can be a little bit cumbersome. So very, very happy. We have the nylon Velcro material here. Can't wait to put this on. Let me put the watch off to the side. But the band itself, this is really, really nice quality. And you can see, here's the Velcro material. Really, really nice. Like it a lot. And the whole thing has Velcro on it, so you can just click it on. Nice, nice. All right, let me pause the video. Let me watch the tutorial. Let me figure out how to get the band off and figure out how to get this new band on. And I'm going to come back and let you guys and gals know. And then we're going to do a first impressions of how I feel about this third-party band here. Okay? So y'all stay tuned. I'm going to watch the tutorial. Then I'm going to come back and I'll let you guys and gals know how to do this. Okay, then we're going to give you my first impressions. So I'll be right back with everyone. See y'all in a little bit. All right, I think I got it. So just to make sure I'm doing this correctly. So there's a little mechanism right here on each side of the watch band, and you want to press that, and then you want to rotate in and pull away. All right, and then the watch band will come off. So let me see if I can do it correctly on the other side. So this mechanism, where is it at? Right here. You want to push it in, then you want to rotate towards you and pull up at the same time. So you want to push, hold up, push, twist, and pull. Just like that. And it comes off. Right? And that's how you take the watch bands off of the Pixel Watch first generation. Then you want to do the same thing in reverse when you're putting your new bands on. Alright, so what we need to do is make sure, I think, this is the bottom. So what we need to do now is find that same mechanism. So right here, you're going to put it over the mechanism, making sure you're pushing it in. And then you're going to push down and go up. And it's going to click into place. I don't know if you heard that, but you push down, you go up, and it clicks into place. And then you do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to find that mechanism right there. Press over it. See if I can get it lined up. So, yeah, right here. We're going to press over it. And then you're going to push down and go up. All right, did I line it up correctly? Hold on, I got to do it from over here. So, pushing on the mechanism here. All right. It might be easier if I unvelcro this. That might make my life a little easier. Okay. So, we just want to push down on the mechanism and slide up. Oop. Kind of hard to do. There you go. You push down on the mechanism and you slide up. And just like that, the watch band is installed. And now you can adjust it to fit and you can put it on. So let me adjust mine to fit. Let's pull this out. Make sure it doesn't slide out all the way. Or it doesn't matter. We can slide it all the way. I'll just put it back. So let me slide it out, or it locks out. Good. So this one has a lockout mechanism. So you can't actually pop it off. And that's another thing that I like about this. So you can get it fully onto your wrist. And then you tug this. Okay, you keep tugging. And then you can get it exactly how you want it. So let's see. I don't want it super duper snug, but I don't want it super duper loose. So like right here, it's perfect. And now the third party watch band is installed on my Pixel Watch first generation. And I gotta say, y'all, that was fairly easy. Again, this one, when you're taking it off, you just want to push down on that mechanism here, go towards you, and pull away. And when you're putting it on, push down on that mechanism, push down, and go away. And it locks on. You hear the click. If you go back, you'll hear the click in the video. But I have to say, this third-party watch band, talking about the first impressions, looks really, really good. And this is extremely comfortable. And taking this off and putting it back on couldn't be any easier. So when I want to take it off, I just loosen it like that, slide my wrist out. When I want to put it back on, slide my wrist back in, get it right to the position I want it, go just like that, and we're in business. So this is going to be awesome, especially for when I take this to the gym. And again, it has that nice breathable material here, which also would make it really, really easy for wearing in the gym, especially if I get super sweaty. But also it will make it really, really good for when I'm sleeping with the watch band on. Keep in mind with these smartwatches, the only thing I don't do with these smartwatches is shower with them on. Everything else I do with the smartwatch on. So I exercise, I do all of my daily activities, and I even sleep with the smartwatch on. The only thing I don't do is shower with the smartwatch on. Now this is waterproof, but that's not something I'm really comfortable putting to the test. Okay? All right. But first impressions of this third-party nylon band that I got for the first generation Pixel Watch XL, I'm tripping. The first generation Pixel Watch, it does seem to be really, really good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this watch band for about a week and come back with my full review and let you guys and gals know if this watch band is worth picking up for your Pixel Watch. Okay? First generation. All right. Hope everyone enjoyed this really quick video, or as quick as I can make it, and I hope y'all enjoyed the fact that I did this one with no cuts. I do apologize for those of you who don't like to see the mistakes on camera, but I thought it would be kind of cool to do it all in one take. Okay? So, hope everyone is staying safe out there. I hope everyone enjoyed today's video. I hope everyone found it helpful. If you did, you guys and gals know what to do. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Also, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below if you want to see more content like this. And please make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when new videos go live. All right, everyone. Hope everyone's having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. Oh, wow, man. This is so comfortable. I might not even ever go back to these first-party watch bands. Yeah. And the other watch bands I have coming in is a very similar material to this and a very similar style to this. So this is only going to get better and more comfortable as I continue on with this coverage. All right, I'm rambling. Have a good one, everyone. I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Peace. We're out of here.